Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Guys, today I want to make a delicious juice, cucumber juice, guys. I don't know if you ever drink it, but guys, it's delicious. Hey guys, I have two amazing necklaces that I want to give to two of my subscribers, guys. All right, this one said highly favored, guys. You are declaring and decreeing that you are highly favored because you don't want to be favored by no one but God, right, guys? So the next piece I will be showing you in the middle of the video. Look at this amazing piece, guys. Okay, so guys, to get these necklaces, the only thing you have to do, subscribe to my channel. All right, share the link, all right, to your friends and family. All right, see you. Okay guys, so today, guys, you know I'm going to make some cucumber juice. So this is my cucumber. All right, it's already cut up and washed, you know. So this is the cucumber, and I'm going to use, guys, you know, this is some ginger. All right, a small amount of ginger. And this is the pineapple juice. You can use the fresh one, or you can use the one in the can like me. Okay, and then I'm going to use some sugar. All right, a pinch of sugar, you know, for the taste. Okay, all right, guys, so let's start blend. All right, so this is the blender, guys. So I'm just gonna throw some my cucumber. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put my ginger in. So this is my ginger. Alright, if you don't want to put any ginger, you don't have to, but I just want to put some ginger, okay? And now I'm going to throw my water in. Okay? You can use some cold water, or you can just use regular water. For me, I like to use the cold water. Okay? So now we're going to blend. All right. Okay, guys. So you want to make sure this is well blended. Cucumber and ginger. So you make sure it's well blended out. All right, guys. Alright, I think that's enough. So right now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to strain it. You definitely want to strain it to get those amazing juice. Alright, so we're going to strain it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to strain my cucumber. Alright, so you definitely want to give it a nice strain. You know, the smaller the strainer is better for you. Okay. So guys, you can throw your pineapple juice while you're straining the cucumber, or you can do it after, either or either. So this is the cucumber juice with my pineapple juice inside and a piece of ginger. I didn't put a lot of ginger, but if you want to go ahead, I'm sorry, I put a lot of ginger, you can go ahead and do that. But I just put a little piece, and now I'm going to sweeten it. I'm going to throw my sugar, guys. I'm going to throw my sugar. Alright guys, this is a cup of sugar. Okay, if you don't want to put like me so much, you don't have to. Alright. Alright guys, so you know I just put my sugar. So I'm gonna do taste test and see how it tastes. Guys, if you could taste this, it tastes amazing. Oh my goodness, guys. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys, if you could taste this, you have to try this. Guys, you have to try this. I'm telling you, try this. You have to try some cucumber juice and throw some pineapple and a piece of ginger. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. I love it, guys. So let me throw it in my cup, guys, and show you the amazing result. This is the next piece. I want to come up closer so you can see it as possible. Very thick, very nice. All right, and guys, this piece said, I am grateful. Guys, I am grateful for life. I have life. Guys, I am grateful for my children, my husband, my family. I am grateful for you as my YouTube family. I am grateful for many, many things, guys. What you're grateful for. So, guys, it's easy to enter. Subscribe, share, like. All right, and guys, if you want, leave me a comment. You, all right, could win this. Ooh, look at that. Tell me, guys, isn't that looks amazing? All right, guys, so that is mine. So, guys, that's my cucumber juice. So this is mine, guys. So let us do taste. Let us do, and guys, I have some ice too. Ooh, look at that, guys. Woo. All right, guys, I'm gonna do my taste now. All right, guys, look at this. Woo. So, guys, taste. My goodness. Oh, guys. Oh, you have to try this. You know, I'm have to fill my cup again. Ooh. Guys, you know, it's finished, guys, and it looks amazing. It just looks amazing. But guys, if you watch the video and you like, guys, don't forget to subscribe, you know, like, leave me a comment. Guys, if you want me to make something, please let me know. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.